everyone got a 2019 Audi Q5. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote, all right? So if you look on the sides of the remote, there's these black buttons here. Okay, you see these black buttons? And what we're going to do is we're going to push and squeeze both of them, all right? And then we're going to pull the emergency key out, all right? Now if we look, we still have the buttons right here, and we're going to use those buttons to pull the battery out. So we're going to squeeze real good, okay? And then we're going to give this thing a little wiggle, and you'll notice that this part is the part that holds the battery, and it's going to start coming out. It might be a little stuck. They like to be in there real good, but here's the holder for the battery right here, and you just pull the battery out of its holder here, and I'll get a new battery and show you what size it is. So here's our new battery here, and the size is a CR2032. There will be a link in the description box for new batteries to take you to Amazon, so if you need a new battery, go check that out. But we're going to have the positive sign facing downwards, okay? There's a positive sign here, and we're going to put it in the holder like that. Okay, so then we just get it and put it back into the remote. Make sure it's all the way in here, okay? And then we get our emergency key, and we can just push it back in. Grab this key. And it should click all together, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.